Have you ever mapped dozens of locations, only to recreate the same points again on another map? What if you could reuse them instantly, without re-uploading or restyling? The solution is MAPOG. Instead of adding points manually every time, you can reuse existing location data using custom location templates. First, open your MAPOG workspace in Story, mapog.com, and create a new template and provide its title and description. Next step, process custom location. This is important because it lets you work with structured location data, not random pins. In other words, you're working with organized attributes that can be reused again and again. After clicking on Process Custom Location, next, click on Add from Custom Location Library. So, what is a custom location library? This library stores all your previously created custom location templates, along with their saved location points. So instead of starting from zero, you're simply reusing what already exists. You can also quickly find a template by searching by name, which saves time when you have multiple templates. Now, select one template from the list. Remember, only one template can be used per map, so choose the one that best fits your purpose. Once selected, the map automatically aligns with that template's attributes, so there are no compatibility issues at all. At this stage, you can either select individual points manually or select all points at once by clicking Select All when working with a large dataset. You can also filter points using attributes like city, category, or status before adding them. As a result, only relevant locations are shown, which reduces clutter and keeps your map focused and meaningful. Finally, click on Add Custom Location. And just like that, your selected locations are added to the map since the template is already defined. Any future updates stay consistent across maps. If you're managing multiple maps with the same locations, this approach is a game changer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more smart mapping tips. And if you need help with setup, reach us at support@mapog.com.